For you to have a good financial life, you must know how to make sound judgment. Two things happen. Number one, you must adjust your lifestyle. Number two, you must adjust your expenses. To adjust your lifestyle and adjust your expenses, you must use two things. Number one, imagination. Imagination is your destination. Knowledge is number two. Knowledge is the how. Sit down to imagine the life you want. Next 3 years, next 10 years. If you imagine that life and you're excited about that life, you want to create that life for yourself. Because of that imagination, is your destination. That will help you to adjust your lifestyle and adjust your expenses now to achieve that lifestyle. Because if you deny yourself some pleasure today to have a better future, is the best gift for you. So you work harder today, so tomorrow will be easy than enjoying today and having a hard life tomorrow. So imagination is the destination. Knowledge is the how to get to the destination, because speed is useless without direction. Direction is useless without destination. You want to have a financial healthy life. That is why you must be able to make sound judgment by adjusting your lifestyle based on your destination in your mind and adjusting your expenses based on the destination in your mind to give you the desired life you want to create for your life. Because creation of life starts with your thinking, because thought are things. Anything you see physically is already obsolete, because the idea on the mind of entrepreneur, and you already thought about it and becomes idea, and the idea becomes value, and the value is manifested in the physical world in terms of products or services based on the action taken. It's absolute, because you're already thinking something else. So imagination is more important than fact. Imagination is more powerful than fact. To have a sound judgment, adjust your lifestyle, adjust your expenses based on the future you want and based on the knowledge you seek. Because who you want to become determine the knowledge you seek. You want to be a doctor, you acquire knowledge from medical doctors. You want to be a lawyer, you acquire knowledge from lawyers. You must acquire knowledge from those who are financially free, independent individuals, because you cannot give what you don't have. Remember, you don't pour from an empty cup. Adjust your lifestyle, adjust your expenses. That is called sound judgment for a good financial healthy life. See you at the top. Thank you so much.